Any good fights lately? Oh, I do miss it. Go make some more stories, then come back and tell me. Nouveau teaches stillness. I prefer action.
Not all Pygmaliens are pacifists. Now that's giving up the business! My dreams are too big for you to steal. My people believe in peace. Boring! Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
Discounts for peace! You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this. Your aura guided me to what you need. I've come too far to let you stop me.
Hiya. I'm gonna rub this stuff on you. Don't make it weird.
If you're not growing, you're failing. Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabarians. No hard feelings, right?
My life for the Storm Queens! I have failed you, Storm Queens.
The Grand Society of Master Merchants welcomes you. And that's how a Master Merchant makes a sale. Not what I call tasteful, but...
We take pride in our restorations. Our items have lived. They have stories.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise. I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird.
You do see these tusks, right?
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobody. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
Come with no weapons, leave with big bargains. I'm so glad we could share this experience today.
Gonna knock some sense into you. You're tougher than you look.
I love this company. I love the the company's owner. Ooh, that one's on sale. Buy 200, get one free.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
Quark Fable gave that to me on our first date. I certainly don't have a use for it.
My people believe in peace. Boring!
I will leave you alive to learn the lesson. There is always a price for knowledge. You have just paid it.
I'm a people person, and sometimes I sell stuff. So, how about this weather? Oh, you're leaving.
People here look so fun.
People say my armor's the best, but I'll keep working on it.
quite a nice person. Maybe too nice.
I see the gold gleam in your eye. I can work with that.
If the Elder could see me now!
I would spar with you, but this leg. Use it well. Make me proud.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge?
Mind if my crew films this for the show? You poor thing. Have a cookie.
Size dilutes the brain. Mine is highly concentrated. If you want cheap junk, go see Cure.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get? Oh, I think you're really gonna enjoy that.
Believe you'll win, and you'll win! But not against me!
Don't get any ideas about skipping town. Well, well, a simple transaction.
Ah, the joy of more! Bring it in.
Hey, if it's about the gold, Pip is affordable.
Lounging in this resort isn't how I imagined my retirement. But at least I did. Now go out there and be a star! I should warn you, I'm
Not like other Pygmaliens. Can't let this get me down.
Cast aside your deathstruments! I can feel our energies resonating. Use that for the good of all. Your aura guided me to what you needed.
Now that's giving up the business! It is sad not everyone can be a worm cat, but you will try, yes? You will not die. Makes Ryukon look bad. It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
My battle days are over, but my weapons crave more. The Bazaar is not kind to the weaponless.
Seagate is a fine place to retire, but I do miss the spotlight. And with a blast of pure charisma, voila!
My dreams are too big for you to steal. My people believe in peace. Boring!
can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you.
Friends protect. Weapons protect. Weapon has seen much. Be kind to it.
I'll take gold. What I need is information.
If you're not growing, you're failing.
You seem like a nice person. Maybe too nice.
People first, profit 10. Do you have to leave already?
Experience is treasure. I will share mine with you. The Bazaar is a rabid beast. Be its master.
Are you sure? Noticed I'm huge? You do see these tusks, right? Well, I'll admit, that was impressive.
Come on in. Let's chat. I get it. You're busy. Enjoy your purchase.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Few warriors live to retire. Buy my weapons, and I respect new food. But bare hands are not enough.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does. Hey, that's okay. It's been nice talking to you.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Pygmaliens.
I must warn you, I am more than I appear.
Man, so weak.
Can't wait to be rid of you.
The Foundation was here long before the Bazaar. We are not the first to settle.
If the Elder could see me now!
I won battles without ever striking a blow. Here's the enemy, here's you. Shield goes in the middle. Simple, right?
I'm so glad we could share this experience today. Greetings, old friend. I'm pleased to finally meet you. All things can become beautiful. That is art.
The Bazaar's a crazy place, right?
Maybe if I got better goods. Are you sure? Noticed? I'm huge?
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
Hello, landowner. Pleased to meet you. I suggest spending your...
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back.
Ah, the joy of more.
My body is gone, but I remain. I will never concede. Our descendants have grown strong. This is good for the Bazaar.
How do you hugelings use these things? Did you know sail and fail rhyme? Sail, fail.
As a GSM and master merchant, I can... Did you see it, Quixel? I made a sail! Oh, look. It's so tiny.
My dreams are too big for you to steal.
Poor thing. Have a cookie.
Now that's giving up the business!
Feel the difference? That's some masking.
For me, this is talking fast. This money, what should I do with it? I would give it for free, but Tiny Andy says that's wrong.
The world whirls like the wind. To be a dervish is to be free. Join us.
Sale, no sale. I want what's right for you. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy. Just toss that on my back, and I'll trot it to your door.
Rumor has it there's a rumor going around. You won't believe who I met the other day.
My people believe in peace. Boring!
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
If you're not growing, you're failing!
Olin had a saying, power is wisdom. Something like that.
Small items, small people. I love them all. I'll never resell this. I bet Quixel or Midsworth would like this. Where's Midsworth? Oh, did he see me close a deal?
We fight, I win. We share a mug of grog.
Life is... The Bazaar is more than a city. It is their plaything.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for. You do see these tusks, right? Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? I believed in myself and I still lost.
Mr. Pygmalien, a man who understands business. No reward without risk, you know.
The desert wind is warm perfume. Return to the Bazaar. Do not corrupt us.
If the Elder could see me now!
Every coin goes back to our community. We Sphinxians thank you.
My dreams are too big for you to steal.
Whatever you want from me, it's not what you'll get.
Yeah, most Pygmalians will never know this feat.